Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is GO19 Assess Chapter 2 Grader 2F Homework Student Publication 1.1. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, I can do this for you at a reasonable price. I will provide good grades for you. I can also help you out in all my IT lab courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, math, stat, business math, finance, accounting, writing, technical writing, all these courses. If you need help, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, email, whatever you feel comfortable. Here first of all, we will look at the project description. This project is consist of almost 14 points. Here I am going to solve 4 to 5 points for you. If you want me to do this rest of assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. So first of all, it is saying in this project you will use a database to answer the question about student publication at a college. You will import an Excel spreadsheet as a new table in the dataset. Create a relationship between two tables and create queries using numeric compound and Welcott criteria using the fields in one or both table. You will create calculated field group data when calculating statistic, create a cross-tab query and create a parameter query. So here you are going to do all this. Next, in step number 1, let me make it zoom for you. Start assess. Open the file student assess2f student publication.accdb downloaded with this project. So here, as I open this project is consist of 3 files. One is the Excel file that we will use in step number 2 for importing. One is an instruction file and one is the exercise file. So this is our file. Student name as at the start of this assignment. Next, we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying import the records from the downloaded Excel file named A02F students paper.xls as a new table named 2F student papers into the database. Use the first row of the Excel worksheet as the table column heading and set paper ID as primary key. Complete the visitor and do not save the import steps. After importing the records, open the 2F student paper table and change the data types of the student ID field to short text. Apply best filter to the table and then save and close the table. So first of all, we have to import this. For importing, here is this file. We will open it, and for importing we will go to external data and here new data source, and from here we will select Excel. So we have to create a new file. So here I will select import the source file into a new table in the current database. So here I will select Burrows, and next we are going to select where our file is located. So here our file is located in Go Courses Assess Chapter 2. So this is our student papers. So here make sure you have selected import the data source into a new table. Okay. Next, it is saying use the first row as Excel worksheet as table column heading. So here we will select first row as column heading. If it is not selected, then you can select it. Next, it is saying set paper ID as primary key field. So here we will choose primary paper ID as primary field. We will select next, and here we have to type 2F student papers. So here I will type 2F student papers. So I will click finish, and at the end it is saying do not save these steps. So I am not going to check this. Make sure that it is unchecked. Here I will select close. This is imported now. Now we have to set the data type for student ID field to short text. So here is the 2F student paper, student papers. So here I will go to, this is paper ID field. So here I will go to table fields, and what it is saying, it is saying student ID field. So here this is the student ID field. As this is data type is number, here you will go to table field and make sure you will select it into short text. And now you are going to just right click on it and click save. This is done. Next it is saying apply best fit to the table and then save and close the table. So here for this I will just click at top left of this table, and then I will go to home tab, and in more I will select field width and I will select best fits. So it will be apply. Next I will click save and close this. So I have completed step number 2 for you. Step number 2 is worth of 5 marks. Next I will move to step number 3. In step number 3, first let me make it zoom for you. It is saying using publisher ID as a common field, create a one-to-many relationship between the 2F publisher table and the 2F students paper table. Enforce rational integrity and enable both cascade options. Create a relationship report with normal margins and then save the reports as 2F relationship reports. Close all the objects. So first we have to make a relationship, and then after relationship we have to create a relationship report. For this it is saying use publisher report ID. So here for this I will go to database tool, and here I will select relationship. Here I will add both the tables and which publisher ID. So here this is the publisher ID. So I will select publisher ID, and then just left click on it and drag it to the second publisher ID. Here I will select enforce rational integrity and cascade, both cascade option selected as it is saying, and next I will select create. Now the relationship is created. Next what it is wants, it says create a relationship report with normal margins. So for here we will go to on relationship design. Here on the tool I will select relationship reports. After relationship report it is saying it should be with normal margins. For normal margins I will go to assess, and here on the margins I will select normal margins, and next it is saying save the report as 2F relationship report. So here I will select save, and default name I will remove it, and here I will type 2F relationship report and press OK. So this report has been created. Now I will just click save and close both these fields. So I have completed 3 steps for you. Next I am going to do step number 4, but before starting step number 4 I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will help you out in this course and also in the other courses as well. It is saying create a query in query design with view based on the 2F students paper table to answer the question what is student ID, home campus, award paid, and publisher ID for award greater than or equal to 50, sorted in ascending order by student ID field. Display the fields in the order list in the question. 5 records match the criteria. Save the query as 2F awards $50 or more query. So we have to do this. So here first it is saying create a query in design view. So here I will go to create, and here I will select query. In queries I will select query design. On which page it should be? it should be based on 2F student paper. So here I will select 2F student paper table and then I will just close this. So this has been added. So let's move to the question. It is saying what is the student ID. So here I will select, first I will select student ID, that is at bottom. You will just double click on it and it will appear at the bottom. Next it is saying home campus, so I will select home campus from here, that is on the second number. And award paid, and here is the award paid on the third number. And next it is saying publisher ID, so here I will select publisher ID, that is at number 5, paid. And publisher ID for the awards greater than or equal to 50. So here it is award paid, it should be greater than or equal to 50. So here I have given the condition of greater than or equal to 50. And next it is saying sorted in ascending order by student ID field. So here this is the student ID field and here is the option of sorted. When you click here, there will be 2 options appearing, 3 options: ascending, descending, not sorted. So here we need it in ascending order. So this is done now. Next it is saying in that order, these are in that order. And next we will select here run. As we run, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 things are being displayed here. Student ID, student ID. Next is the home campus, home campus. Award paid, award paid. And publisher ID, publisher ID. You can see that all the award paid are greater than or equal to 50. So this is good now. Next it is saying save the query as 2F awards $50 or more query. So here I will just select this and right click on it, save award, 2F awards 50 or more query. And here now I will click save and then close it. So this was our point number 4. Next we will move to step number 5. But before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then I can do it at reasonable price for you. In point number 5, it is saying copy the 2F awards $50 or more query to create a new query with the name 2F second quarter and W student query. Redesign the query to answer the question: which student ID from Northwest campus had a paper published between 4/1/2022 and 6/30/22, and what was the paper name that the award paid, and category sorted in ascending order by the publication date field. Do not display the home campus field in the query result. Display the rest of the fields in order listed in the question. 3 records displays. Close the query. So this is our point number 5. If you want me to do this complete assignment for you, solve this complete assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.